again. It's a rich thing.
Welcome back to another video, guys. Firstly, I'm sorry I've been away for a few days. I've been a very busy bee. I've not got my desk set up. I'm not ready to go yet, but I thought just for a quick video, because I've not put anything out for a few days, I'll just show you a couple of little things that I've had turn up where I am. I've had a little order turn up from Modelones, and this is, I'll just show you quickly, guys. I got this out of this on the Modelones website. I didn't know they had all these. If like me, you've already got the dual foams, the base coats, the top coats, and you don't want all that, you don't want to pay all that extra for stuff you've already got, you can get on the Modelones website any 7 colours for $30. And the amount of colours they've got to choose from, I didn't know Modelones did this. You can build your own Polygel kit and you can choose 7 colours for $30. And look at all these colours they've got, guys. Loads of colours. We've got beautiful pinks, bright yellows and neons. Look at these, glassy yellow. We've even got glittery ones, look. That'd be fantastic for Christmas. They've even got black. Look at this one. Look at that, Sulu Sea. And this one looks so much fun. Look at this one, Tinted Love. Looks like it's got all little love hearts in it. So yeah, you can pick your own and get 7 tubes. And they're $5.99 each. But you can pick 7 for $30. And they've also got another one where you can make your actual own kit. So if you do want the lamp and the top and the base, you get to pick, I think, 6 polygels. Out of all them colours, you get to pick 6 polygels. You get to pick your top, your base, your lamp. That's what you get. And then you also get to pick 2 extras. You can pick liner gels, cuticle oils, tools. And that's $39.99, and that's dollars. I didn't know they did all this where you can make your own kit with your own colours and your own stuff. And they've got all the solid extension stuff. They've got some really, really cool stuff. Look at these ones, guys. Sweet pineapple. And then we've got the sweet collection. These are just two tubes, $9.99. Aren't these cool? I didn't know they did all this. And look at all the colour combos they've got. Look at these. £25 for all them. $25, sorry. I didn't know they did all this. Halloween party, look at this. Right, shall we get on with it and show you what I got? So, I went with the 7. So, I started with a little pink. Shall we give all these a little swatch? I'll show you the colours I got first, then we'll swatch them. I started with a little pink, I thought, for a nail bed colour. I got a blue, a nice colour green. I got another blue, but this looks like it's got some sort of shimmer in it. I got a hotter pink and a purple, because my polygel drawer is just full of pinks and nudes and clears and whites. I don't have a lot of colours. Let me bring you in a little bit now. So I thought I was going to go for some colours. So I got those. I went with the 7 colours that you pick yourself. And I also got these brush cleaning essence. I thought it was just 1 bottle, but apparently it's a pack of 2. I have opened one. It's not a gel. It's not a gel. I'm not quite sure what it is. Look at the ingredients. It's got a Hemmer in it and it's got alcohol in it and chocolate perfume. But I can assure you it doesn't smell of chocolate. I'm not quite sure if it's to clean your brush or if it's to nourish your brush. No, because it says brush cleaning essence. Enjoy a refreshing brush cleaning experience. So, it has got a slight oily feel. I'm not sure. I'll have to try that out. I love looking after my brushes. So I thought I'd try Modelones brush cleaner. Yeah, that was a pack of 2. So I got those. And I got a little stamping plate. I got this, to be honest, because I thought it was a layering plate, but it's not. I think I could get away with layering a couple of them. Like, I could maybe get away with layering a couple of them because they're very similar. But it's not actually a layering plate. But yeah, I think I could definitely get away with layering a couple of them. I like that. So, should we give these Polygels a quick swatch, and then I'll show you some glitters that I got. So, let's start with 002. They're all foil sealed as well, which I like. 002, let's have a look at this. Oh, that's a nice baby pink. Very pale pink. It's showing a little bit paler on camera than what it actually is. Yeah, it's showing a little bit lighter on camera than what it actually is. Very pretty colour though. Right, then 038, which is a blue. Oh, I like that. That's a very nice blue. These are really creamy as well. Really opaque. Cool. Right, then 041. Oh, that's very pretty. That's not as creamy, but it's still a really nice opaque colour. That's a beautiful kind of aqua. Very pretty colour. I don't have a colour like that. I don't have a colour like this blue either. Right, we'll leave that shimmery one till last. Right, 079, pink. Oh, wow. I was not expecting that. Look at this. That is nice. It's a lot brighter than what you're seeing, actually. That's a nice pink. Right, 051. Oh, it's lighter than I was expecting. Very pretty, really pale lilac. These are really nice colours. Right, let's do this one. I'm really excited to see this one. It looked like on the website that it had a really fine shimmer through it. Let's have a look. Oh, it is. It's a shimmer. Oh, that's pretty, guys. Look at this. That's a beautiful polygel. Every single one of them is really, really pretty. Really like every single one of them. They're really pretty. I really like this blue as well. That blue would be nice in a set with this. And this pale pink. Love them. I like every single one of them. Oh, does that go right to the back? I bet it fucking has on it, you bitch. Oh, guys, there was another one. I thought there's only 6 there. There was another one. This one. 040. There is another one. This is another shimmer one. Oh, my gosh. This is going to be pretty. I'll put this underneath this shimmery one here, shall I? Oh, my gosh. Look at that. So it's the same kind of shimmer, but it's... See, this would go with that green, and the blue one would go with that blue. Oh, this is beautiful. It's got like a golden colour shift. And that blue one's got like a silver colour shift. They are beautiful, aren't they? I love this. I do like that. Right, I'm just going to cue them in the lamp. Sorry if you can hear a dog barking outside, guys. I'll leave links to everything in my description box. I've got a discount code for Modelones as well. That will be in my description box. Love these. They are beautiful colours. Right, so, shall I show you what some glitters I got quickly? I've actually got a lot of glitters from quite a few different places. So, I think I'll just show you the glitters I've got from Sparkle Supplies. Now, I have had these for a good few weeks. I've just not had time to open them and have a nosy. So, we'll have a nosy together, eh? So, yeah, because I got these quite a few weeks ago, it was bang in the middle of summer. So, that's why some of them are a little bit bright. So, these are like... They've not got a fine glitter in there. They are like a medium hex and a small hex. And they're matte. That's called Acid. Perfect name. Yeah, let me get them all out. Right, so let's get back into it. So this one is called Acid, and yeah, it's just like a medium. They're not big hex, they're not too big. It's like a medium hex and a really small hex, and these are like paper. They're so thin. I love glitters like this. These are fantastic for mixing as well. And then this is the same. This one's called Shock. These names are perfect because that is shocking. I love that. Even they would be beautiful mixed together, wouldn't they? Love them. And then this one is called Scream. Perfect for Halloween coming up, this one. Perfect for Halloween. Bright green. Love that. And then these kind of match. This is like the fine version. So this is called Barbie Girl. And it's not an ultra fine, it is just a fine. Oh, I don't have anything like these. And again, these are matte. Just a really fine. Oh, that is pretty. This one's called Limeade. Again, it's just a fine matte. These are really unique. You don't see these kind of glitters that often. Then we've got a yellow. This one's called Canary. Oh gosh, I'm covered in it. Something's leaked somewhere. This Canary actually does look a little bit finer. Yeah, this Canary is even finer than the other two. Love that. And then look at this. Lava. I've never seen these before. They're just fine neon glitters, aren't they? They're beautiful. Again, if you mixed all these together, you'd get some beautiful mixes. So these three are tiny little dots. So we've got Pine, and they're really thin, like paper. They're not quite matte, they've got that kind of sheen on them. So that's called Pine. That's a beautiful colour. And then this one, Lip Gloss. Beautiful pink colour. Yeah, these are so thin. You literally just need to top coat over them. That's all you would need. So pretty. And this one, Wild Berry. I would do a little mix with these two, just to give it a little bit of contrast. They're very pretty. Again, so unique. I haven't seen glitters like these anywhere. Very nice. Right, and these last two, these are not dots like them. These are small hex. Really small hex, and these are matte. This is called Tiger Matte. This is, again, so unique. I haven't seen them anywhere. Tiny little hex. Fantastic for Halloween. Perfect for Halloween. That is. Love it. And again, this would be good for Halloween. This is the same tiny little hex, but it's red. I love that. That'd be brilliant for Halloween, wouldn't it? Some really cool Halloween colours here, look. Look at all these for Halloween. Who's excited for Halloween nails? I am. So excited for Halloween nails. Right, and lastly, we have got this. This is called Violet. And this is, it's got small violet dots, and then it's got a tiny pink violet kind of hex. It's a really unique mix again. So pretty. I love that. I love that about Sparkle Supply. She's got really unique glitters, and they are always fantastic quality. She's not expensive. One of my favourite glitter places in the UK by far. But anyway guys, that is it for today. Don't forget, I've got discount codes for Sparkle Supplies and discount codes for Modelones. I'll leave links in my description box. I'm not going to leave a link to every single glitter because it will take me all day to find them. I'm just going to leave a link to the website. Just wanted to show you these colours once more as well. Oh, they're full of glitter. It's because I've not top coated them, they're sticky. I need to top coat them so that they're not sticky. That's the Model 1 colours again. So excited to use these. Can't wait to use these. Anyway, guys, that is it for today. Links for everything will be in my description box. Don't forget to use discount codes, guys. Get yourself some money off. Please remember to give the video a quick thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already. And hopefully, I'll see you all back in my next one. Take care. Bye.